Okay, welcome to the first tutorial of Global Streaming Team. Today I'm gonna show you the initial setup for when you open an OBS. I could teach you some basic of video and hope you get along well. And let's start to this. Okay, after you installing OBS, you will see software like that. And once open, go to Tool or to Auto Configuration Wizard, and you have option to set is it optimized for streaming or recording, and of course we are optimized for streaming. Okay, next, and use current 1920 times 1080, and we use 30. And click next, and usually so that's the place that you streaming your information to. And this one you use, of course we use YouTube, our streaming server. And if you know, there's another so many server. There's a Twitch, there's a Facebook Live, but for now we use YouTube. And once you're generating a YouTube video, a live stream, they will give you a stream key, and you put the stream key here, and we can do a trial later on with my account to show you. And we can make it as a that streaming as a private, just only you can see, and only maybe people with the link can see, so it's not public to everywhere can see. So later we put that, so we just leave it now, and we choose prime YouTube server. And the bit rate is pretty subjective. Last time I used 2500, but after doing some reading, and for our full HD we should use 6000 bit rate. Okay, let's click next, and here we go. You're in almost to start. Okay, basically you're in here. So for example, you want to add something to play, you want to stream, for example, yourself. Okay, you go to scene 1, and you can add a scene. So the scene 1, I will rename it to be Gavin. That's myself, right? And in the scene I'm gonna put a source. I have a webcam set up in here. Just do a webcam video capture device. Okay, video capture device. So I'll just say, you can also name them. I can just say Gavin's webcam, or I'll just say webcam. Webcam. Click here, and yep, you see me. So it will allow you to choose whatever webcam you are. I'm using this Logitech QuickCam Pro 9000. So yep, it detected. It's all good. Just click OK. And once you click there, you will see yourself there, alright? And you can actually, so that's the black screen is what you see, or what the audience will see. And you can have your screen yourself up here, or you can have yourself a bit wider up here. Okay, so that's what you have, one source,